All right, Mario plays basketball on a town league team. The table below gives Mario's scoring statistics for last season. How many points did Mario score playing basketball last season? So first let's look at our table. In this problem, careful reading is going to be important, so we need to carefully analyze the table. So for the type of shot, he has 1-point shots, 2-point shots, and 3-point shots. In the next column over, it gives us the number of attempted shots. So remember, attempted means he didn't necessarily make them. And then in the third column, we get the percent successful. So let's look back at the question. It's asking us to figure out how many points did he score playing basketball. Not how many shots he made, how many points he earned. So to figure out how many points he earned, we first have to figure out how many shots he made. So if we look at 1-point shots, if he attempted 80 and made 75, we have to figure out how many he made. So you have to do 75% of 80. 75% as a decimal is 0.75, and then remember the word of means multiply. So you have to do 0.75 times 80 to figure out that he made 60 1-point shots. I'm going to add that here, 60 1-point shots. Down here for 2-point shots, he attempted 60 and made 90% of them. So you have to do 0.90 times 60 to figure out that he made 54 2-point shots. Oh no, that's all messed up. Okay, there we go. And then for 3-point shots, he attempted 60 and he made 25% of them. So 0.25 times 60 means he made 15 3-point shots. All right, so if he made 60 1-point shots, that means he earned 60 points from 1-pointers. 60 shots times 1 point each equals 60 points. For the 2-pointers, he made 54 of them. You have to multiply that by 2 because they were each worth 2 points to figure out he earned 108 points from 2-point shots. And then for 3-pointers, he made 15 of them. You have to multiply that 15 by 3 because each shot was worth 3 points, and he earned 45 points from 3-point shots. Then to find the total number of points he scored that season, you have to add together 60 plus 108 plus 45. So add together the points he earned from 1-point shots plus the points he earned from 2-point shots plus the points he earned from 3-point shots. And when you do that, you get an answer of 213. So the correct answer here is C. Mario earned 213 points playing basketball last season.